Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sanchari and today I have come up with this easy peasy makeup look which you can very well carry in your office if you're going out with your girlfriends, or you can go out for corporate meetings. This look can be worn everywhere. This is a daytime look which I have kept very simple, very minimal, with less product. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching.
Prior to my makeup, I have already cleansed, toned and moisturized my skin. Now I will use a sunscreen, and for that I'm using my Neutrogena sunscreen. This has a SPF of 50 and I'm applying it to my face and neck. Now I will use my Bobbi Brown primer, and this is also a very good moisturizer. It keeps your skin hydrated for a long time. I will do my brows, and for that I'm using my Balm Cosmetics brow pencil in the shade deep brown, and I will align the upper and lower brow line, and then I will fill in the sparse area. And with the help of the spoolie, I will distribute the products evenly. Guys, if you find my brows in a shabby condition, then please excuse me for that. I am not getting time, but I'll definitely get it groomed soon. Now I will take my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer, and this shade matches to my skin tone perfectly, and I'll use this as my base, and then I will concentrate wherever I have got darkness. I will also use this to carve out my brows as well. Now, taking this Real Techniques foundation brush, I will buff and blend out all the products onto my face. When you're on the go, brush plays a very important role. This gets your job done easily, quickly and effortlessly. As you all can see how quickly I completed my base makeup with the help of this brush. Now it's time to conceal the higher points on my face. I will highlight with the help of this Flower Beauty concealer, and I will be concentrating this under my eyes, my chin, cupid's bow, bridge of the nose and my forehead, and I will blend it out with the same foundation brush. Because this is a daytime makeup, I am using it in very less quantity. Now it's time to set my base makeup. For that I'm using my Lakme 9 to 5 pressed powder, and I will use this to powder my whole face. And then I will set my brows with the help of this e.l.f. Brow and Lash Mascara. I'll use some blush on the apples of my cheeks, and using my Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. To give some kind of dimension to my face, I will use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I will concentrate this on my cheekbone areas, little bit on my forehead and below my jawline. And whatever is left on the brush, I will contour my nose with it. Now it's time to line my waterline, and for that I'm using my Faces Canada magnetized eye pencil, and I will line my lower waterline. And for the lash line, I will use the same eye pencil, and I will use it very close to my lash line to give that eyeliner kind of effect. And then with the help of this Q-tip, I will smudge it out. When you're on the go, you don't have time to spend on particular brushes, this is a very good hack, you guys. Now I'm taking my Swiss Beauty mascara, and I will coat my upper and lower lash line. This mascara is very bad, you guys. It does not provide any kind of length or volume to your lashes, but because I have spent my money on this, I have to use it by hook or by crook. I don't have any other option. Now I will line my lips first with my Swiss Beauty lip liner. The review, swatches and first impression on this lip liner is already up on my YouTube channel. I will link it down for you guys, so do check it out. And then I will use my Physicians Formula liquid lipstick and I will use it on my lips. Now I will use a setting spray to set all the makeup in place, and here is the finished look, you guys. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also don't forget to turn the bell notification button. And I shall see you soon on my next video. Till then, bye, take care.